This thing is glorious. Good afternoon, everyone. Bushfood Network here, doing my first spring camp of the season. Taking it easy, kind of was a spur of the moment thing, and just car camping in a back-in site. So I brought all the bells and whistles, didn't just stuff a backpack, and just try and relax, enjoy the day. It's our first day of almost 80 degrees. Just came out of nowhere. A little bit windy, but it feels good. Plenty of sunshine. I don't think there's any rain in the forecast, but I'm prepared either way. Gonna cook up a really nice dinner. Have some nice pork tenderloins. Gonna make up some rice to go with them. Probably do one of them like a barbecue, the other one sort of an Asian style flavor or whatever. We'll see what happens. A few nice craft beers that I'm really excited to try. And of course my usual brandy to sip on as the evening unfolds. So I'm gonna just get camp set up here, go for a walk, find some firewood, and sit and relax. I'll be right back. Nice good hardwood. Okay, so I'm going to cut up some veggies for the rice I'm going to get going. That's going to go with the pork tenderloin. Start with some peppers. Nice thing about cooking outside is you can throw the food on the floor. The ground, I should say, not the floor. Well, it is kind of the floor, I think. Nice colorful mix for the rice. Okay, so I think I'll just cut these into little thin strips this way. Cooking outside is so relaxing, so fun. Get the birdies chirping. Right, we got a red onion. I'll do the same thing, julienne this up. Oop. I want baggies flying into the woods. Throw those all in there. We'll just give this a rough chop. Ooh. Sandhill cranes. There we got our veggies and our garlic. Instead of wasting the fire on this, I can control a little better. I'm gonna use my little rocket stove here. We're gonna throw a couple little pats of butter in here. Goes down near the bottom. All the wood's cut. Got those veggies slow cooking. I think it's time for a beer here. This one is an IPA, India Pale Ale, called Fantasy Factory. So it's whatever this means. We have looks like a unicorn, fire-breathing unicorn ridden by a cat holding a gun. You see that? So yeah, fire-breathing unicorn, kitty, holding a gun, fantasy factory. Yep. So, from Carbon 4 Brewing. Where is that at, though? Madison, Wisconsin. Madison, Wisconsin. So, let's try this. Well, look at that. That's pretty tasty, I must say. Good job, Fantasy Factory. You can always count on some tasty beers coming out of Wisconsin here. We're pretty good at making beer. Been doing it a long time. So, yeah, I'm pleased with this. I'm pleased with this evening. It's about 6:30. Still haven't got my fire going yet. Just kind of enjoying relaxing. It's not cold. The wind has picked up quite a bit. A couple of these trees make me a little nervous. Even though I'm not directly under anything. I've heard some stuff fall already. Cheers to spring. Ooh, I gotta check those veggies. Yeah, these veggies are done. Get some rice cooking, and when the rice is done, mix it in with the rice, and voila, we got a side dish. Fill this with some water. We got our couple guests here tonight. You guys know Ralph. He's been around before. And Bubsy. He forgot a leash, so he's fashioning a paracord leash. A little bushcraft leash for y'all. Not sure what knot he's going to tie on there, but I'm going to trust that that's going to take care of it. Yeah, we're going to get this rolling. What's up, Bubs?
You just gotta sniff around.
Yeah, he can sniff around all he wants.
Oh, don't pee on there, baby.
Oh shit! Don't pee on my shit, Bubs. Got a little bit of some fatwood shavings, some fatwood splinters here to slowly build it, and then we'll get this fire going.
Never mind, never mind.
Come on now.
Hey, come here. Bubsy. Hey. Come on this way.
It's not wanting to catch. There we go. Spark. Hey Bubsy, how you doing, buddy boy? You good boy, huh? It's Bubsy.
That
What's
giant
up?
pile of,
What's up, buddy boy?
saw that big pile of wood from the.
Okay, so we got 2 tenderloins. Probably won't eat them both, but we're gonna skewer both of them. You do one barbecue, one kind of some oriental flavor. Nice. Okay. Salt and pepper these. One of these we're gonna do barbecue. Just a little bit of barbecue seasoning. And I got some barbecue sauce too. So that'll be pretty yummy, I think. I'm gonna lay these over the fire and get them started. There they are.
See it. Should be good.
So here we are. They've been roasting slow for a good amount of time. Look at that. That's the barbecue. This is going to be the Asian. Some barbecue sauce on this one. Little open pit, good old-fashioned originals flavor open pit. Get a nice glaze on this, hopefully. Yum yum. And here we got a little Asian zing sauce. It's like a hot chili sauce. Just keep slowly adding it. Uh-oh. Come back here. It's hot up here. Giant kebab. Look at that thing. Okay, we got. Ooh, that's on there. Uh-oh.
Oh, give it a huge shove. It'll come on.
I don't know. No, that's on there.
Jeez.
That sucks. Okay. Well, we're gonna let this rest. Let it rest. Gonna have to slice it. Nice and ooey gooey rice.
To give it that slippery goodness.
Morning.
Hell in there. For a long time.
So we gotta apparently cut these off of here. Yeah, it's like cooked on there. Yeah. There we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, we'll just go like that. Got the top?
Yep.
Give him that stick to chew on. So here we have the barbecue, which is in half. So I'll just cut some little chunks. Here we'll do, here's the Asian zing.
Get out of there. Hey. Don't worry, you'll get a piece. And then go home and get something.
Oh, there's plenty here for you, Bubsy. Grab those little pans there. There should be a knife and spoon, fork and everything. Go ahead, serve yourself up.
These are our little mess trays here.
Yeah.
Alright, I like a little mess tray.
Yeah?
Yep.
So there we have it. Roasted pork tenderloin over vegetable rice. Yum. Nice breeze tonight. I'm so thankful for times like these. To be able to decompress a little bit. Lighten the load, as some might say. At least for a little while. There's definitely energy that you feel and pick up on when you're out in the woods, in the elements. So I just wanted to say goodnight. The tenderloins were delicious. The rice was delicious. It's a beautiful night. Got a half moon, whatever that's called in like astrology terms. I don't know, but it's really cool.
Just wanted to say good morning. I'm going to lay here for a little bit and enjoy the sounds and get up and get some coffee brewing. All right. See you in a bit.
A couple backpacking sites back in here. Huh. There we go, breakfast is served. Overcooked the eggs a little bit, but no big deal. I am hungry. A little sausage, eggs over medium, buttered toast.